Good morning, children. Today we'll start a new lesson, Philanthropist of Sangam Age. Geeta and her grandparent are on a trip during summer holidays. They are on their way to Kodaikanal, the hill station in Tamil Nadu. You all know we have gone to Kodaikanal. Yes, it is a very cool place. It is a hill station. எப்படி இருக்கும் ரொம்ப கூலா இருக்கும் குளிரா இருக்கும் hill station in Tamil Nadu. This is the first time that Geeta is traveling up a steep hill in a bus. ஸோ ஸ்டீப் ஹில்னால் எப்படி இருக்கும் அது ரொம்ப ஸ்லாண்டிங்காக இருக்காமல் ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் அப்பாக இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கும். தட் இஸ் ஸ்டீப் ஹில். கிராண்ட்பா, ஹவு டிட் பீப்புள் கம் டு தீஸ் ஹில்ஸ் பிஃபோர் பஸ்ஸஸ் அண்ட் கார்ஸ் வேர் யூஸ்டு? ஸோ பஸ்ஸஸ் கார்ஸ்லாம் எப்போ வந்துச்சு? இப்போ கொஞ்சம் இயர்ஸ் பிஃபோர் தான் வந்துச்சு. அதுக்கு முன்னாடிலாம் ஹவு பீப்புள் யூஸ் டு ட்ராவல்? தே யூஸ் டு ட்ராவல் பை ஹார்சஸ் ஆர் தே யூஸ் டு வாக் மைல்ஸ் அண்ட் மைல்ஸ். So what does the grandpa say? We see they would have used horses and donkey to climb up the hill. So they used donkeys and horses to climb up hill. So what is Geeta asking? Who ruled these regions? Yaar bande in the regions alla rule panna? There would be some people to rule these places. So yaar idella rule panna? So what does the grandpa say? In the Sangam age, many philanthropists ruled the hilly regions, but 7 of them were very famous. We'll see who are those 7 peoples. Only 7 were famous. Why were they? Who were they? So Geeta asked, who are these peoples? So those 7 philanthropists were Pagan, Pari, Nedumudikarai, Ai, Adiyamman, Nalli, Valvil, Orai. So these all names you are already heard in your term 1. So they were the philanthropists. They ruled different hilly regions at different periods during the Sangam age. So during the Sangam age, different hilly regions were ruled by different peoples. Okay, so these peoples ruled hilly regions at different periods during the Sangam age. They were all powerful, kind and cared for nature and the people. So how were these rulers? These rulers were very powerful. At the same time, they were very kind and they cared for the nature and the people. So they had care about the nature and the people. Is that why there are more trees in the hills than in Chennai? Yes, of course. In hilly regions, if you see, there would be more trees than that we see in Chennai. Hills usually have lot of trees. It is important for the people to take care of them. Shall I tell you a few stories about how those philanthropists and the people protected nature and how in turn nature protected them? So when we protect the nature will also protect us. So what should we, the next generation should do? We should take care of our nature. So what does Geeta say? I would love that. So she also likes growing trees and taking care of the nature. Name any philanthropist. So what are the philanthropists we saw? We saw Nedumudikarai, Adiyamman, Ai. So those peoples are philanthropists. During which age did 7 famous philanthropists rule the hilly region? So we saw about the 7 people. So you have to write those names at the bottom. So now we see about Pagan. Are you ready for the first story? Grandpa asked and Geeta say yes. Okay, this is a story about Pagan. Pagan ruled Parani Hills, which is in the Dindigul region. This all you read in your term 1. The very same hill range that we are visiting today. Isn't it cold here? So these Dindigul region, Parani Hills are connected with the Kodaikanal Hills. Okay, they all comes under the same region. Yes, Grandpa, that is why Amma has packed sweaters for us. So it's very cool, but it's very cold. What do? We wear sweaters. Correct. One day, while Pagan was on his walk, he saw a peacock shivering. So what does Pagan see? He saw a peacock shivering. Why does peacock was shivering? Because it is very cold and the peacock was shivering. ஷிவரிங்னா என்ன? குளிரில் நம்ம நடுங்கிறது. வி கான் பேர் த கோல்ட். அந்த கோல்டை பேர் பண்ணாமல் நம்ம நடுங்கிறது பேர் தான் வந்து ஷிவரிங். He assumed that the peacock was shivering due to cold and he covered the peacock with shawl. So what does Pagan do? He thought that the peacock is shivering due to the cold. He could not bear the cold and so that the peacock is shivering. So what did he do? He covered the peacock with a shawl. He gave a shawl for the peacock. What did Geeta ask? Can a peacock use a shawl? Maybe not. The point is that Pagan treated the peacock just like his own child. How many people nowadays show kindness towards animals? So what does the grandfather say? He doesn't know whether the peacock was shivering due to cold, but here we see the kindness of the pagan. He pagan treated the peacock like his own child. If you see a small child shivering, what will you do? பாவம் குழந்தை குளிர்ல நடங்குது, நம்ம அதுக்கு போத்தி விடுவோம்னு சொல்லிட்டு we'll put some bedsheet over the child. The same way pagan thought, and he covered the peacock with a shawl. So grandfather asked, do nowadays people show kindness to animals? No. When a dog comes, we throw stones on the dog. When a cat comes, we throw stones on the cat. So we should not do such a way. We should show kindness even to animals. Grandpa, one day I saw a boy throwing stones at a dog. I stopped him. Maybe if he knew about pagan, he would find a way to love animals. So what does Gita say? She saw a boy throwing stones and she stopped him. So when we hear about pagan, we also start to love animals. True, it is not just kindness towards trees and animals, it is also about valuing people. We should treat all living things equally. So what does grandfather say? We should treat all living things equally. It can be animals, it can be trees, it can be people. Even trees and animals are living things. Which hilly region did pagan rule? Pagan ruled the Parani region of the Dindigul district. What did pagan see when he was taking a walk? What did pagan see? Pagan saw a peacock shivering. What did pagan use to cover the shivering peacock? He used a shawl to cover the peacock. So today we have seen about pagan, and tomorrow we'll see about Pari. Thank you, children.